LungExpand Pro is gaining attention as a so-called natural solution for better breathing, claiming to support lung function and help people with asthma and other respiratory conditions. But how much of that is actually true? While the product markets itself with impressive benefits, such as improved oxygen intake and reduced inflammation, a closer look reveals a number of red flags that can't be ignored. For starters, it uses language that makes it sound FDA-approved or GMP certified, but in reality it only states that it's made in facilities that follow those guidelines. There's a big difference. The ingredients, while natural, are mostly herbs and plant extracts that are commonly seen in other generic supplements, and none of them are backed by strong clinical studies specifically tied to lung health. Claims like instantly better breathing or permanent relief for asthma are not only unrealistic but potentially misleading for people struggling with serious conditions. There's also no transparency when it comes to clinical testing or independent reviews, and most of the testimonials seem overly positive without offering any real proof of results. So, while LungExpand Pro might not be an outright scam, it certainly falls into that gray area where bold marketing overshadows actual science. It's not entirely fake, but it's definitely not the miracle it's hyped up to be, and anyone considering it should approach with caution and consult their doctor before making a decision.